Let's talk about the state of the market here in Atlanta in the month of May. We're starting to see a lot of people start to get their houses ready for sale, even starting to move again. That means this is a great opportunity for you to get ahead of that. If you think you're going to be in the house for the next 5, maybe even 10 years, now is the time to go ahead and take care of some of those proactive and preventative things that will keep you from large expenses later. For example, this month is National Deck Safety Month. We're proud to be part of NADRA, where we have a checklist that can help people understand a little bit more about their decks. If you want us to come out there and take a look at your deck and give you ideas about how you can get it improved so you can keep up with it, so it's ready to go when your family wants to go out there and keep you family safe, and also when you get ready to sell, it'll keep you from a large expense or a deduction when you go to sell your home. It's also National Remodeling Month. Proud members of NARI, we are proud of the fact that we learn from other contractors who do great remodeling around Atlanta and nationwide. We'd love to help you with some of those remodeling projects, whether it's a bathroom refresh, maybe you want to get that deck remodeled, maybe you want to finish off a room in the basement so your family can enjoy more time. We are finding that a lot of people are looking to keep their homes up to speed so they can stay in longer. We call it investing in place, not aging in place. Invest in place so you can continue to grow your family and take care of your number one financial and personal asset. As always, you can give us a call at the Trusted Toolbox. We're our 16 handymen in our remodeling division. We have seen over 3,000 people in just the last year alone to do work for around the house. We would love to be able to help you and give you our experience and help you take that value to the next level.